Hi, let's discuss finding local common sub-expression and elimination of local common sub-expression. How can identify one expression is common sub-expression during construction of DAG? If one node is already present, then that is a common sub-expression. Let's construct a DAG for a basic block. Let one basic block contain this three address code: A equal to B plus C, B equal to A minus D, C equal to B plus C, and D equal to A minus D. Here you can mark some variable have multiple definition like B. This B is different from this B, and this C is different from this C, and D also, this D is different from D. So what we will do, first we will write in SSA form, then we will design the DAG. So A equal to B plus C. Next statement, B equal to A minus D. This B is different from the previous B. So we'll write B1. B1 equal to A minus D. Next statement, C equal to B plus C. This B is same as previous B. So here we'll write B1. This C is different from this C. So we'll write C1 equal to B1 plus C. Here you can write C0 also. I am not writing that. This D is different from this D. So you can write D1 equal to A minus D. Now this is in SSA form of this three address code. Let's construct the DAG. First we'll do for first statement A equal to B plus C. We'll create two node, one for B, another for C. Then we'll create another node plus. For plus, B will be its left child while C will be its right child. And we can assign a definition for this plus node as A, as this plus stands for A. Don't confuse in circle and without circle node. All are same. Okay. Next statement, B1 equal to A minus D. A is already there, so we'll create another node for D. Then we'll create another node for minus. For minus, A will be its left child while D will be its right child. And we'll add one definition for this minus, that is B. Or you can write simply B1. Next, we will do the third statement, B1 plus C equal to C1. C is already there, B1 is already there. We will create one node for plus. For plus, B1 will be its left child while C will be its right child. And we will add a definition C, or you can write C1 according to SSA. Next statement, D1 equal to A minus D. If you see, already there is a common sub-expression for A minus D. This node stands for A minus D. So A minus D is already there. So what we will do is just add the definition D1 to this minus node. So now this minus stands for B1 and D1. If in the next block there is no use of B1, then we can say B1 is not live or B1 have no next use. B1 value is updated by D1, or you can say B1 is a dead code. There is only 3 non-leaf node in the DAG, so the basic block can be replaced by a block with only 3 statements. In previous lecture, I discussed while constructing of DAG for a basic block, how many statements are in basic block, same number of integer node will be there. Here you can see there are 4 statements while there are 3 integer node. So there should be 3 statements for this basic block. As B is not live or dead on exit from the block, then we don't need to compute that variable B. B value is updated by D, so we don't need to compute B as it is dead. We can remove this statement B equal to A minus D. We don't need to compute for B as B is a dead code or not live on exit from the block. B value is updated by D. So let me rewrite this 3 address code. We can write A equal to B plus C. Then in place of B equal to A minus D, you can write this statement D equal to A minus D. Next, C equal to B plus C. In place of this B, we can write D. C equal to D plus C. As B value is replaced by D, so in place of B, you can write D. Now this is the optimized 3 address code. We remove the local common sub expression. this was the local common sub expression a minus d was present twice. We just remove once. We just remove this statement. Or you can say we remove the dead code for B. Next, dead code elimination. What is dead code? The variable which have no next use or not life is called as a dead code. Let's take an example. X equal to A multiplication B, Y equal to A plus C, Z equal to Y plus D. First we'll construct DAG for this. First I will construct DAG for this. Then from the DAG I will identify which is a dead code. First create a node for A, then another node for B. Then for multiplication A will be its left child while B will be its right child. And assign a definition X for multiplication. Next do for A plus C. A is already there, so we'll create another node for C. Then one node for plus. For plus its left child will be A while its right child will be C. And we will add a definition Y. Next do for Z equal to Y plus D. Y is already there. We'll create one node for D. Then for plus Y will be its left child while D will be its right child. And add a definition Z. Now this is the DAG for this 3 address code. You can see X is not used further. So X have no next use or not live. We can say X is a dead code. Or without constructing DAG, by just next use information algorithm, you can also find which variable is live and which is not live or dead. Let one column for live, another column for not live. First we'll do for last statement. So here Y and D will be live while Z will be not live. Next we'll do for previous statement. Here A and C will be live. Y will be also live as in previous statement Y is live. Next we'll do for first statement. A and B will be live while X will be not live or X is dead code. So you can also find this way that X is a dead code, X is not live. So you can remove the X. So here we found that X is a dead code. We don't need to compute for X. So after removal of dead code, the block will contain Y equal to A plus C, Z equal to Y plus D. We don't need to compute for X as X is a dead code. X have no next use or it is not live. So it is a dead code. Let's take a programming statement. If 1, then print DOC, else print CD. So if 1, this condition will be always true, it will always satisfy. So it will always print DOC, it will not print CD, it will not go to else part. So you can say this part is dead code as it will be not executed. It always executed the if condition, it will not executed the else part. So this is a dead code, we can remove it. Which are not executing or which have no use, we can say that is a dead code and we can remove that. From the DAG, we can identify the common sub expression and dead code, and we can eliminate the common sub expression and dead code by using help of DAG. In next lecture, I will discuss algebraic optimization. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.